Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here a well-appointed 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom house consisting of 1,000 square feet and approximately 4,500 square feet of land, located in the quiet community of Sand Hill, Vistas in Hellshire, Greater Portmore. This is a rapid developing area of Hellshire. Features including air conditioning unit, solar water heater, security system, water tank, garden area, ceramic flooring, ceiling fans, TV cable, and it is securely grilled. The residence is immaculately kept, reflecting pride of ownership, in pristine condition and ideally suitable for a small family. Site includes family-oriented, private setting, low maintenance yard, recreation nearby and quiet area. The monthly rental cost of this home is Jamaican 85,000 or US $538. Now, let's take a quick look at this home and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.